now what you do, I will type vi, okay, then my first script dot, I will type dot sh now. So I am writing the shell script now, bash, okay, whatever you have shell, that we will be calling as shell script now here, okay. So now I have entered into the bash or your editor. This is your normal editor, okay. I hope you are able to see my screen, okay. Now what you need to do, you have to type the basic commands, okay. So this we will do by, okay, so append it here, A, okay. So then you type hash I exclamation, then bin and bash, okay. So this is called the shebang. Shebang means which will tell the script where to run, okay. It should run in /bin/bash, okay. So it will be it will run in this particular directory, okay. So it will be the binary and it will where it will run, okay. So it will tell this is where you should come and run it, the script, okay. So now we will tell, okay, echo hello world, okay. Then I am typing now echo. So I will be using now system commands now. Today is, okay, so dollar, then I am using the parenthesis here, okay. So now you see it, I am using a dollar symbol here, which will take a, it is a command substitution. So if you put some dollar there, then you are calling a command here, okay. It will print the output of the date here, okay. Now I am going to save it here, okay. Let me put escape, okay, right quit. So now I have not made this as executable, okay. So now what you need to do, you need to make this as executable, chmod. So let me see it here, ls, I will type first, okay. So whatever files that will start with first name, it will show here, okay. You have first client dot ovpn, okay. So it will list all the files that will start with that first. So this is called wild entry. Now I will type asterisk dot sh. So I want to see all the .sh files. You see it here. You have hello.sh, openvpn install .sh. So you are just listing all the files, okay. So I am typing asterisk dot sh, okay. So now you are going to use this as a executable now. So chmod plus x, okay, your first, okay. I have typed fi now. I will type tab here. It will automatically take, okay. It is telling me, okay, you have fi with 3 names you have. Which one to select? Okay, I will tell, okay, first firs, okay. Then it will show me 2 here, okay. You see, it is telling, see, I am getting match of 2 here. Which one to select? I will type now yes, okay. So now it will select this automatically. First script. Now I am typing here enter, okay. Now it got executable now, okay. Now I will type, okay, ls-al list all the bash shell or .sh, okay. Now you see our script is also now executable now. So now you want to do it dot, okay, first script, okay. So now you got that echo got printed. Let me see the file, okay. What is the content here? See, this is executing whatever is inside this echo. It will print automatically that like that direct. And today it is printing my date here, okay. This is just executing the command date. I will type date here. Okay. So this it is taking the command and it is printing. So you are using the OS internals inside your bash script, okay. So once you are used to this, okay, then you will use the same logic in Python also. So you will tell the system, you will tell the computer, you use these things and you give me the output. You don't have to create a new thing, or you don't have to invent the wheel, okay. So now what you do, now you also do the same thing. I will copy paste the script now in the chat. Now you execute it on your laptop. I want to see what everyone is doing it here, okay. So now you execute this. I am going to pass the recording here. So now the second script is, okay, vi second. I will type now sh. So I want to see my kernel, host name, architecture and user, okay. All these four I want that information, okay. So let me put this here, okay, and I will also give you this same command here. Now you go ahead and run it, okay. So now I am saving this, okay. Now I am changing this chmod plus x second, okay. So now I am executing the second script, okay. Okay. Why I got the error? Any idea? ls hyphen al asterisk dot sh. I want to see all the script here, okay. So this has not changed into the executable mode here, okay. Plus x, okay, plus x second dot sh. So now I am going to execute the command now. Now you see it, I got the host name, okay, my host name is Fedora. What is the kernel? Okay, my kernel is this 7.0.14, this is the version, okay. Then what is the architecture and what is the username here? So I will see what is the script here, okay. So I am using the host name command here, okay. Let me type host name. So I got the host name here. So now I am typing uname hyphen r. Now I am typing uname minus uname hyphen m. Okay. It's giving me the architecture. Now who am I? Okay. Hope you are not Jackie Chan. Okay. So this is the second script. I want you to run the second script now. So you should be very fast, okay. This is the war room session. In war room what will happen, you should be very active and you should be responding. Like there is something has went wrong and you need to respond it very quickly. If you are not responding, then I will be moving on. See, I don't want to waste the time, okay. In war room you will not feel comfortable, so you will be reacting it very fast. Now you tell me who has executed this. So I will give you 20 seconds now. Okay. So you execute the second one also now and let me know once you are done. Okay. VI file creator dot sh. Okay. So now this is my shebang. Okay. Now read the input from the user here. Okay. So whenever you type -p, okay, it will show the prompt here. So if you are typing it, if you are reading it -p, okay, so it will wait for the user input. Now you are taking the user input directory name here. Okay, it will wait for user input and stores it in a variable here. Okay, then it will create a directory with that name. Whatever you will give that name here, he will create the directory. Okay, then you are asking again, okay, read, enter the file name. Okay, you give me the file name, I will create the file name here. So now what you are doing, you are using the touch command, okay, and then you are using the directory here, okay, as a variable. You have already created this, this is a variable now. Now the file name also, it is a variable here, okay. So now you are creating, you have created, touch command will create it, okay. So with 0 bytes, it will create a empty file, then it will say echo. So you are giving now the variable here, okay. So whatever you have here, directory name and file name, you are printing it, okay. So now let me save this, okay. So whatever I will just tell you again what this is going to do, okay. So mkdir, okay, -p, once you execute, it will create a directory, okay. -p, it will create a parent directory also, parent structure, everything it will create, okay. Even if you remove p also, it will work, okay. If you are giving subdirectories, then it will not create. If you put p, then it will create all the parent structure also, okay. So now whatever you put in quotes, okay, handles space in the name here, okay. So now you are telling, okay, now you will execute it, okay, chmod +x, okay, file creator .sh, okay. So now I am going to execute this file creator. Now it is asking the directory name here. So I will type, okay, directory 101. Okay, what is the file name? File name 003. Okay, enter. So now it has created directory 001 and file name also. Let's see if it is created it, ls. I will type here. So where is the directory here? You see it here. Directory 001 it created. So I am getting lot of files here. What I will do? I will filter it with ls d asterisk. So I want only starting with D letter. Okay. Now you see it. So there is a directory 00, directory 101 and directory 3. In directory 1 you have file name 003. This is what we have given, right? So you created it and then you created the file name. So you are learning multiple things here. See, you are doing the wildcard entries here. So if I type ls also, you can see, but you need to see where it is created. So it created in this, then you need to go into that directory cd dir 101. Okay, then you need to type ls. So there you have your file name. So I will type ls-al so that you can see that metadata here. It is just now it created at 9:40. My time is 9:41 now. Okay. So now I will type pwd. Okay, present working directory. Okay, I am coming back. cd double dot. So I have come up in the directory now here. Okay. So now I will pass the record. That. Okay. Because a lot of people will be there, they will be waiting for their chances. Okay. So now I hope you have done the scripting now. AWS batch.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. We'll move ahead with the other script now. Okay. So now what we will do, so you have done the interaction now, read -p, which will read your input. Okay. Then you have variables here, variables directory name and file name. Okay. So let me put it like this in clear form. Okay. Okay. Cat. Okay. So you have here variables here, directory name and file name. Okay. So then I will tell, now we will be doing a backup here. Okay. So backup, simple backup script we will do. Okay. So there will be one command. Okay. So what it will do, it will create a backup. Okay. So we have not done any backup right till now. Okay. We will create a backup. Okay. So let's do it. Okay. So I will give you the script. Okay. It will create a simple backup. So this will be your script. Okay. So now I will create one cd backup.sh. Okay. So this will be my shebang. Okay. And then backup name, then I am typing, okay, backup. Okay. So here I am using the date format here, date. So the variable I am using it, date. Okay. %my, okay, which will be year, then %m, which will be month, %d, which will be date. Okay, then I am using underscore here, then hours, minutes and seconds. Okay. So this, whatever you give this name, okay, it will create a backup with the existing current date and time. Okay. It will capture your system date and time, and it will create a backup here with .tr.bzz. Okay. So this extension is used to take the backup. So if you want to take any backup, so this file you will be saving with this file. Okay. What tar will be doing, like you have a let's say you are eating some food. Okay. You want to take it as a parcel. So how you will do that? How you will take that parcel? Do you take the entire plate, or you will expose it like that, or you will put it in some tiffin box, or how you will do it?
In some tiffin box.
Yeah, you will put in tiffin box so that it is not exposed or it is not opened. Okay. So similarly, so whenever you want to take a backup, so what it will do, it will convert it into .gz file. Okay, so that gz file, what it will do, it will what is that, it will resist the virus here. Okay, let's say your virus is attacking on exe file. Okay, so exe files, let's say you enter into one area, okay, where there are lot of flies or mosquitoes which are falling on your food. Okay, so now you have kept it in tiffin box, it is protected. So even though the flies are coming there, it is completely protected. That is how if you take backup, okay, so your files will be protected. So it will be completely in a different format. Completely it will get changed here. Okay. So now whenever you type a backup name, it will automatically create it with a different name and extension. Automatically it will create it. Okay. You have tar command here. Tar command is a Linux command. Okay. C means it will create it. It will create a new file. So tar will be, it will be doing a backup of that particular file, tar command. Okay. Then it will be doing the zip file. So you have done the zip file, right? You have seen zip files. So where you have all your contents inside one zip file. So no matter how many files you can put it, you can directly put it, all that files in one file. Okay. Okay. Then you will have F is for archiving it. Archiving means you will be taking that backup. If you have listened to my earlier videos, so that archive byte, once you take the backup, it will clear it. Okay, in the directory, whenever you tell it is archived, okay, marked for archiving, then it will remove that. Okay, so this is all it is creating it, and then so you have dollar here, it will be the first argument. Okay, so it will be to backup. It will be to backup this. Okay, the complete directory here. Okay, so let me see it here. I will run this command now. Okay, so now chmod. So let me see which file you want to take backup now. So you tell me any file which you need to take backup. Cat, okay, z file name .txt, there is nothing in that file. Okay, cat abc.txt. Okay, I have some content here. Okay, I will take this backup. Okay, so ls, what is the script that we just created? Okay, backup.sh. Now I am changing this chmod +x backup.sh. Okay, so now I am executing this. Okay, let's cat backup. So this is what I am going to execute. I am taking this as a variable. Okay, this is the format, so don't get confused here. So why these are all coming? This will just capture the format. Okay, this is nothing to do with all whatever you are creating it now here. Okay, so this will just capture your system date and time here. So now I will execute. This will take the file name here. Whatever I give the backup name here, okay, it will automatically create that. Okay, now let's say you want to create a, okay. So now I have executed this. Let's say whether this is in executable mode or not, okay. Okay. Now you see it. Now this one is, I am doing it in a different way now, okay. So this is my file backup, okay. So this I have created now. So whatever I give it here backup name, okay, it will copy there, okay, backup, okay. So let's say whether this will get copied or not, ABC. So it created backup. Now I will type ls backup asterisk, okay. So it created one file here, okay. So this has created a 1 minute, sorry, backup, okay, abc dot txt. This created a backup copy with file name backup. This is all the date and time here. This is my year, this is month, this is date, and this is hour, okay, 9, this is time, minutes, and this is second, okay. So this abc.txt is saved in this format .tar.zz. So I am creating a argument here, okay, with this file backup.sh. Whatever you give me here, it will copy that into a different directory here, like this. So here whatever you give it, okay, it will create a backup copy, okay. So now here let me do one more file here. I will copy this hello1.py, okay. So backup, okay, my script, what backup will do, .sh backup, okay. You take the backup of one file, okay, hello.1.py or hello.py, okay, hello.py. You take this backup. So you created a script, okay. Your script, whatever you are telling, okay, whatever you give the file name here, it will create a backup, okay, with name backup and the year and time here format and this .zip file. So basically what you are doing is you are creating a backup script. If you run it, it will take the backup. Whatever you give here input, it will convert it into a different format. So it will be little hard to understand you at this moment. You just run it and see if you are able to do it. So let me pass this, okay. I will pass this here. So what this is going to do, okay, tar command. So this is very big command here, okay. So you have lot of arguments. Tar, okay, saves many files together into a single tape or disk archive and can restore individual files from the archive, okay. So you want to take any backup of the files. Let's say you want to take the entire backup of your disk, okay. Let's say you want to take a backup ls blk, okay. I will type, okay. So you want to take the entire backup of your directory here. Let's say SDA1 or let's say you have SDA-B, okay, you have 2 GB of files, okay. So what I will do, I will just type, okay, tar, okay, take the backup of Dave, okay, what is that, SDA2, okay, to the MNT slash data drive, okay. So what it will do, it will take the complete backup of the slash boot drive. Whatever is present in SDA2, it will copy that into this directory, okay. So this is my verb, okay. So it will not understand, okay, what you are trying to do, okay, I didn't understood that, okay. So if I tell like this, see, I don't know what you are telling, trying to give me the command, you just tell me what to do. So you have verb here, any command, okay, this will be your verb. And then there will be arguments here. You want to go here and you tell me what to do. Tar, okay, help. So now you tell me what to do. Okay. So let's say you want to create a backup. Okay, you tell me, okay, create a new archive. You use -c, I will create a backup. Okay. You want to find a differencing between archive and file system, you tell D, okay. So this I will tell you what is this in the next class. So what is this difference, what is this appending, all that. So there are lot of things, you tell me what to do, okay. Create archive.tar from files foo and bar, okay. If you want to do the archiving, you just give me tar -cv, I will copy everything, okay. So you want to see all the listing here, list all files in archive.tar verbosely, okay. It will just list whatever it is copied here, okay. So now you want to extract that information from that particular archive files. So what I will do, I will create it, okay. First I will create a new archive, then I will see, I want to see what exactly it is being done, okay. For that I will use the verbose here, -v, where is v here, verbose means it will tell, okay, what exactly you are doing, you just tell me, you don't do in the background. I just want to know what exactly you are doing. That is called verbose. So if you are not sure, you just put -v in any command. So that will be for verbose. I want to see what exactly you are doing. Okay. So now, what is the command that we will be using? Okay. So we will be using tar -c, v and f. Okay. So now we will go ahead. Okay. So what is the command here? Okay. So you create this directory tar -c, v, f. Okay. So where is the file name? Okay. I will tell this is boot.tar. This will be the directory, okay. This will be the file that I am copying it here. So let me tell, okay, now. So why I am getting permission denied here? This is simple logic. You need to tell me why I am getting permission denied. So you need to elevate your privilege. Okay, let's see if it works or not. Okay. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. Boot. ls. So there is nothing here in the boot. Okay. cd. ls. So let's say we take any other directory to take the backup. So let's go with temp here, ls, cd temp here, okay, ls. So you have lot of temporary files, okay. Let's create one archive, tar, okay, cvf, okay. So I will create all with whatever starting I will create archive.tar. So I will create with all this system dot whatever is present here with sys. I want to take this backup. Okay. Previous errors. Sudo. Okay. So let me create cv z. Slash mlt slash so let's say tor create it dot tor dot zz slash temp. Okay. ls. So it created a file here. So I have created all that whatever present here. So it has created and it copied everything into this directory here. Okay. So this will copy everything. If you type here tar -c, this will be creating. Z will be, it will create one more .gz extension. Okay. Let me tell what is this ls -al. So you see it here, all it got copied here. So all that files, whatever present here in this directory, it copied everything here. So this copied here in this tar.zz. Okay, I use the extension. Okay, tar. Okay. So you are basically you are copying every file here, tar. I will remove this dot z here. Cowardly refusing. Create an empty archive. Okay. 01. Okay. Tar series. So now what we'll do, okay, I will skip this star here, so I will get a better exercise for this, okay. This is taking lot of time, okay. So I will, let me record this session, okay. So you type here, this is are not readable, human readable, these are not human readable. So I am typing df-h, okay. So now you see it here, these are all human readable now. Okay. So now I want to do some piping here. Pipe means I want to take this input to the other command. Okay. df-h. Pipe means, okay. So I am taking this input to other command. Okay. Then I am searching it. grep. Okay. This command also we have skipped it. So we will do these two commands. Tar and grep we will do, okay. Grep, okay. Now it will remove temporary files here, okay. So all whatever you are seeing, okay, removes the line tmpfs. So now you are doing it, grep, you remove this, okay, tmpfs. So all whatever you are seeing the temporary here, you see it here, these are temporary files. So I don't want to see this temporary files. Now you want to remove that. Now you are telling, okay, you remove this. Grep. So your input, it is coming from this command, okay, then you are filtering it out using this command grep. Okay. So that is how it will be your command you are using it here. So the same command, what you do, you just tell df-h to print, okay. Now let's take one command here, we will write script df disk files dot sh, okay. So now we will write the command here. Okay. Right quit chmod +x disk files, okay. Then I am executing disk files, okay. So it is just giving me the command here, okay. So you see df, so I will type cat disk files. So this is executing this command, that's it, nothing it is doing. So now you execute it. Srikant and Hemant, you execute these commands, df-h, then df, you execute these commands just, yeah. So let me pass this here, okay. Okay. So we will do it one more here. So you guys do this command. Where is that? Okay. So you execute this command now. You create one more script here to get it details. vi user id dot sh, okay. Right quit. And then we execute this chmod +x uid.sh. So now I am typing it, okay, uid.sh. Okay. So I am getting it here, user ID. Then I am typing what is the groups I am member, wheel, Uber, and then Docker, and my default shell. So from where I am executing it. So if I see it, what is the file name that I have? Cat dot uid.sh. Okay. So if I am typing this, it is printing me this. Okay. So right now I am in temp. I will come out of this temp directory. So I will go into home. Okay. So you understood this user ID command or user ID script there. For getting user ID, you type ID -u. So first you type ID, okay, help, you take the help, IDA. So you see all it is coming, okay. That is why what you will do, you will tell, okay, you give one by one ID -z, okay, this is what you are getting command, okay. So with respect to process, this is completely into deep technical, so you don't go with the Z here, ID Z, okay. So your group number is 1000, okay, ID capital G. So your group numbers, it is telling you all the group numbers, okay. So now I will tell, okay, group and name, okay. Instead of telling me numbers, you tell me what exactly that is, okay. Then real ID, okay, -R. So it requires U or G. It will not give you like that. GR. Okay. So you can play with these commands here. Once you open help, you can type all this and you can do it. Okay. What you now need to do, okay. So I want to filter it, PS, AUX, okay. You pipe it, okay. Let me sort it, sort with the CPU here, okay, is equals to percentage CPU, okay. So now you see it here, you have CPU here. So this is, you want to sort it out with the CPU here, okay. So someone is coming here 0.1, 1.1, all that it will sort now, okay. It is coming all the sorting list here, you see. So this is my list here. Okay. So all it is being sorted here. So all the CPU is sorted here. You see it? There is no 0.1 or something like that. So you are sorting with the CPU here. Okay. So in DevOps, they will ask you, okay, I want a script. Okay. You just give me the CPU utilization every 5 seconds. You give me the information. So which process is taking high CPU? I want that information. You just fetch that information and put it in a file. Okay, your system admin or somebody will ask you. So I want a script, you do it. Okay. So now you have captured it with only the percentage here, your CPU. Okay. So these commands you don't have to remember all that. So all you need to remember is PS AUX. That's it. So this all you can be doing it with the help of your arguments here. PS help. Okay. So PS help. So list. So it will give you all that list, whatever you want. So then you can create that list. So you don't have to worry about why I need to remember all that. Okay. So now I will do, okay, sort CPU, then head, okay. So I am counting n, okay. I will put n10, okay. Top 10 you give me the list. So this is my CPU. So who is using this? Okay, you see it now. So all I am getting this list. So the same command what I will do, I will create a script here, vi cpu.sh. Okay. So now I will create this bash script. Okay. So bash means I will put this shebang and then I will enter. Okay. chmod cpu.sh +6, okay, .cpu.sh. So it is giving me only top 6 here. So whatever you are giving inside, it will give you that output. Okay. So now what we will do, we will do the last command here. We will do some ping test. Okay. So let's say if it is reachable, then we will check whether it is working or not, or else what I will do. So we will stop this here. So I will go to Institute now. So let's say I want to build there also. So I will pause the recording here. Okay. So I am stopping the